Hello everyone. Today in this video we are going to learn how to create groups and users in the Azure portal. What is Azure? Azure is a Microsoft cloud computing platform that enables users to create and deploy resources such as compute, databases, virtual machines, networking, storage, web services, etc. in minutes. Two options are available to create a group or user through the Azure portal. Option 1. Use the search box at the top. Option 2. Use the All Services link on the left side of the screen under the Home link. Using the Resources search box, type in Active Directory. Several services will be displayed below the search box. Look for Azure Active Directory and click to open. Then under Overview Azure Active Directory Blade, look for Groups and click to open. However, in this scenario we are going to try a different method via All Services. Click All Services under Home on the left side of the panel. Notice that the All Services category list is displayed. Scroll down and look for Identity, and then click Identity. Notice that the Identity list is now displayed. Under Identity List, click the Azure Active Directory link to open. Notice that Overview Azure Active Directory Blade is displayed. Now click Groups to open and look for a new group link. Click New Group. For group type, select either Security or Microsoft 365. I will select Security. Group name, type in the group name of your choice. I will be using Finance Group. Group description, type in the group description of your choice. I will be using Finance Department. For owners and members, ignore for now, then click Create. Notice that at the top right-hand corner of the page, the group is successfully created. To verify whether the group has been created successfully, click All Services link at the top left of the screen, look for Groups and click to open. Notice that a group has been successfully created. Now it's time to create a user that will be assigned to a group. To create a new user, click All Services under the Home link on the left side of the panel. Notice that the All Services category list is displayed. Scroll down and look for Identity, and then click Identity. Notice that the Identity list is now displayed. Under Identity List, click Azure Active Directory to open. Notice Overview Azure Active Directory Blade is displayed. Now click Users to open and look for the new user link. Once you locate the link, click to open. Notice that there are two options available to select: Create a User and Invite a User. What we need at this point is to create a new user. Leave as default to create user. Now fill in the details of the new user under the identity. For user identity, I will use Janet Jones. passwords I will use auto-generate. However, you can choose the option that you like. Click Show Password, copy and save it somewhere or write it down on a piece of paper for later use. For groups and roles, select a group that you have created. In my circumstance, I will select Finance Group. For roles, select your own choice again, and for me, I will choose the Billing Administrator role. What will Janet Jones do with the Billing Administrator role? She will perform billing-related tasks, such as updating payment information. After selecting your suitable role, now click Select. For block sign and leave as default. Location usage, select your country from the drop-down box or leave it blank. For me, I will select Zambia as the user location. Fill in job info. Finally, assign a manager to your new user. And for me, I will assign Becky Brown, then click Create. In a few seconds, look at the top of the right-hand screen. Notice top right of the page roles are created successfully. Now click your newly created user to open and copy login details. Then sign out. Please remember to use the newly created user details to log back in as a new user. When you sign in as a new user, you will be asked to change your password. Now log back in as a new user. Fill in your new temporary password. Notice that you are asked to update the password. Change it to a strong and memorable password. Congratulations! You are now logged in as a new user. Thank you for watching and following along. I hope this short video was helpful to you. Have a lovely day and stay safe. Till next time.